Hello, it is me, Swink, of the Sarika myth. Now, it has come to my attention that some, or to be precise, one member of the Sarika myth thinks he can cook. No. He cannot cook. And I, Swink from Swinksville, will show you how to cook. Today, we are going to be making the Mamma Mia, the perfect, the sublime chicken sandwich. Let's get to business. So, to start with, to make the perfect chicken sandwich, you need to get the chicken. I personally myself use the Tesco's frozen, just hot and spicy chicken steaks. We will make the basin. Now, follow the steps very good, yes, very my nuts. First step we have to do is we have to lightly oil the pan. Just a smudge you need there, not much. Perfect. You then, with a bit of kitchen rub, you just rub that shit all around. Get it nice and good, nice and oily, nice and moist. Once that is done, you get your piece of chicken. You get your piece of chicken. We shall now turn on the heat with the gas and the shit. I don't think I can do this one hand. There we go. The heat is now on. Now we shall leave this to cook for a little while. The next part is, we need to get the bread. I personally prefer it toasted, so we shall put it in the toaster and let that cook. Next, just gently play with your meat. Get all them oils and juices. Make that shit completely buzzing. Give it a little turn over every so often. Okay, you want to get nice sides, very crispy and very good. Oh, Mamacita, don't you just love that good sizzle the chicken from that chicken sandwich will make? It's just wonderful. Just be patient, let it cook, let it simmer. Make sure you are flipping the steak over. Every so often give it that nice grill. Make sure it's all cooked through. We have fucked up. The house, the kitchen, everything is on fire. We've got to get the fuck out right fucking now. I'm getting the fuck out of this bitch. The fire is growing out of control. What are we going to do? Take this, you fucking fire. I mean, fuck it. That looks good. That shit is busting. Well, okay. We can recover from this. All we have to do is... Oh, fuck, I forgot about the toast. It means, like, if I put some butter on it, it's probably not very noticeable. See, just a little bit of butter fixes everything. Now we will carefully place the very well cooked chicken. And we have made our chicken sandwich. Now that we have the chicken sandwich ready, I think it's time for a taste test. Here we go. Some scrumptious sandwich. Wow, that was yummalicious. I loved every bite. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe to the Sarika Men for more epic cooking tutorials like this. I'm going to the hospital now. I have fucking carbon monoxide poisoning.